Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to add a new user to your Field Central company account. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, click on Settings, and then click on User Maintenance. Here is a log of users for your account. To add a new user, click the green plus button on the top right of the page. Provide the individual's name, contact information, assign them a role. This will determine their permission level within the system, and if they are part of a field crew, you will select which crew from the drop-down here. Once satisfied, click Save Changes, and the individual will receive an email to the address provided where they will need to take action in order to activate their account and set up a password for login. To edit or deactivate any existing users, click on that user and make the desired adjustments. To review the previously sent activation emails, click on the blue button on the top left. Ready to give it a go? Follow these steps the next time you need to add or edit a user.